All right, moving right along in our Excel series here. I'm going to click and drag that because that's kind of the order. This is going to be a present value formula. So let's zoom that in, and you are going to see, insert, screenshot, screen clipping. I have my present value formula. Okay, so I have some weird stuff up there, but that's fine. So I already know that I can see things that I'm going to need. I'm going to need an amount. I'm going to need an interest rate. I am going to need the number of times compounded a year. So compounded, that's what my N. And then I'm going to need time, my T. All right, I think I have everything that I need. So I want to solve for present value. All right, let's get some numbers in here. It says this person wants to buy a new tractor, and if he wants to have 175, 123, that's money. So let's make it money. Dollar sign. And when this happens, this just means that you need to widen the cell to be able to see all the values. We have an interest rate at 3.85%. Be sure you type the percent sign. And then the number of times compounded, it's monthly, so 12, and 8 years. So basically what it's asking is how much money does he need to put into his account today that earns this interest that will give him this amount later. All right, so you can see the formula down here. So I'm going to start with an equal sign, and then I'm just going to look at the formula. Equals A divided by, in parentheses, 1 plus R divided by N, close parentheses, raised to, open the parentheses, N times T, and close the parentheses. Okay, so this is my answer, but more importantly is now I have a formula. Okay, what if he decides he wants a $225,000 tractor? Would you make that larger? And let's say 5.55% interest, and wants to get it in 5 years. So now I have this nice little formula that I can so quickly just put in these values, and it gives me the correct answer.